we invite you to attend the Ag PhD Field Day. It's coming up on Thursday, July 25th. It's always the last Thursday in July. So today during our Farm Basics time, we're going to talk just a little bit about some of the highlights of the 2019 Ag PhD Field Day.
Well, first of all, Brian, new products. There are so many new things that are coming out that are going to be released in 2020 or shortly thereafter, and it's a great opportunity for you to get a first look at new traits that are coming out. You also see some of the new crop protection products and some fertility concepts that you may consider implementing for your farm.
Well, it's not only that. We've got more equipment at the Ag PhD Field Day than we've ever had before. We are going to have a national launch of a new piece of equipment. You're going to be super excited to see that. So we've got a lot of things on the technology side. Oh, and one other thing I should mention too with equipment, we do have a ride and drive area that's bigger than we've ever had before. So it's going to be a lot of fun.
Well, another thing, when you talk about all these different pieces to your cropping plan, how about putting it all together? We've got some of the best farmers from around the world record growers in a number of different crops that are going to be at our field day, talking about how do they implement these things on their farms and what are they doing to improve profitability.
Yeah, so it's yield champions in corn, in soybeans, and wheat like we've traditionally had in the past, but also this year, barley, sunflowers. We're even going to talk dry beans. We've got a yield champ, a national yield champ on sunflowers who's going to be there. And for all these great farmers, we've got roughly 15 or 20 of them, they're going to speak to you that day, but they also have plots that they've been managing all season long at the Ag PhD Field Day site. So not only can you listen to them, you can also see what they're doing in the field.
Well, and it's not just you that's going to be at the field day. It's going to be lots of great farmers from around the country and around the world that you get to talk to all throughout the day. So as you're looking at something, you're going to be talking to a farmer from a few states away that's going to say, wow, what do you think about this? And what are you seeing in your area? And that information is really valuable, especially this year.
Darren and I will also take you through the Ag PhD research plots, talk to you about some of the things that we're seeing out there that are working and some that aren't. We've also got a lot of great entertainment for you. We've got a kids area with a tremendous amount of things for the kids to do. We're going to have an air show during the day. We've got Molly B and her band that's going to be there. A number of different speakers that you can listen to in addition to just straight out ag topics. We've got drainage law and estate planning and grain marketing. So just a whole bunch of things that you can see and hear throughout the day. It'll be a lot of fun. It's just a one-day event. It's free, so we certainly hope you can join us on Thursday, July 25th. Just go to agphd.com to learn more and to pre-register.
One thing we hope you don't see at the Ag PhD Field Day is our weed of the week. Can you identify this week's weed?